How to transfer Cathay points to American Airlines, right? So in this video, which I'm going to show you, but as of 2024, let me just be very honest, Cathay Pacific Asia miles cannot be directly transferred to American Airlines Advantage miles. However, in this video, I've listed where I have found some of the solutions which definitely work because of this American Airlines partnership with the One World Alliance, right? So here, the very first thing is join Asia Miles program, which you can do it with the Cathay Pacific here. Ensure you are a member of the Cathay Pacific Asia Miles program. You can sign up on the Cathay Pacific. So on the top right, you will get this option of login. So let me just sign in with my email address, and then you will be able to use it. Now the second option, the second solution is basically accumulate Asia miles. Make sure you have enough Asia miles in your account to book a flight. You can earn Asia miles through flight credit card rewards and other partners. And the third solution is check award availability, right? Go to your Cathay Pacific website and log in into it, which I'm showing you already. Use the award booking tool to check for available flights operated by American Airlines. You can also call the Asia Miles Service Center to inquire about availability. Now the last option is the book flight, which is definitely this works. So just go to American Airlines here and just select the available flights. Use your Asia Miles to book it. So here you can just here find flights, just select the city or the destination you want to just book your flight and follow the prompts. So basically they will ask you to search for it. Now you can just book that, and after filling all the details, representative you can also book by through the representative by booking by call, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.